Assalamualaikum, dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, subscribe channel and then watch, share, like and comments videos. Dear students, today my lecture is about Physics 11, chapter number 1, that is about measurements, and topic is prefixes. Dear students, today you will learn about prefixes. What are prefixes? Its uses and importance in physics. Let us start our lecture. First, we define prefixes. What are prefixes? Dear students, we spoke the word pre-medical. What do you mean by pre-medical or pre-engineering? That is, pre-medical means before the medical. Dear students, like this, pre means before. Pre mean before. Fix mean fix anything. Dear students, this implies that prefix means to fix something before. What mean before? That is before the unit. So, prefixes are fixed before the unit, and by this we are defining the quantity of this unit, more or less. Let us see example. I write here m. M is the unit of length, and I put K before the M, that is before the unit of length I fix here K. Dear students, here K is a prefix. And dear students, that K is defining a big unit of length, that is kilometer. If we write 5 kilometer or 10 kilometer, here 5 is magnitude, K is prefix, and M is a unit. Dear students, like this, let us see more examples. That is a second. That is a unit second, that unit of time. If we fix here M, then M is a prefix, S is a unit, and M is a prefix, that is millisecond. Like this, that is microsecond. Here micro is a prefix and S is a unit of time. That is another unit, gram, the unit of mass. Here M is a prefix and G is a unit, that is milligram. If we put here K, then K is a prefix and G is a unit. Like this, here is a unit meter, the unit of length, that is a unit of length. We fixed here C. Here C is a prefix and M is a unit and C is a centi, that become centimeter. Then that is, here is centi is a prefix. If we fix here m, milli, meter, here m is a prefix and that m is a unit. Like this, if we fix here mu before the unit meter, here mu is a prefix and m is a unit. If we fix here k before the unit meter, here k is a prefix and m is a unit. Dear students, these are milli, micro, kilo, centi. These are prefixes. Look at the table. These are prefixes. We start from here. Here we take here a unit, that is 10 raised to the power 0, that means 1. Then 10 raised to the power 1, 10 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 3, 6, 9 and 11. And deca is prefix, hecto is prefix, kilo is prefix, mega is prefix, giga is prefix, tera is a prefix. These are symbol of these prefixes and these are the values of these prefixes. If we take downward, that is deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, atto. These are prefixes and these are their symbols. That is a Greek letter mu. That is a symbol of nano, pico. F is a symbol of prefix femto and atto. And these are their values. Dear students, if we look this table further, that is a unit. If we fix these prefixes, these define a big unit and these are called multiples of 10. These are called multiples of tens. If we prefix these prefixes, these define a smaller unit and these prefixes are called submultiples of 10. Some multiples of 10. Dear students, let us see another table. These are prefixes. These are their units, and these are their values in term of 10, and these are their values in term of 1000. These are their decimal values. And these are their description, that is 1, 10, 100, 1000. यानी किलो मीन 1000, मेगा मिलियन, गैगा बिलियन, टेरा ट्रिलियन and so on. These are, that is deci, tenth, centi, hundredth, thousand, million, thousands, micro, millionth, nano, billionth, pico, trillionth and so on. Dear students, now let's see unit conversion by prefixes. Conversion number 1 is that from unit to prefix. We go here from unit to prefix unit. Examples are here. First example is 3000 meter, and we want to go in kilometer. Dear students, we solve it by two methods. First method is called multiplication and division, and second method is called move decimal. Dear students, here remember two things. If we move decimal from right to left, then we multiplied by 10 raised to power plus, and if we move from left to right, then we multiply by 10 raised to power minus. Let us take first example. "30 meter kilometer." Here M is a unit, that M is a also unit, and K is a prefix. Here we want to add prefix before the unit, and we want to go from unit to prefix unit. Let us solve it. Three 1000 meter, we write here 3000, and unit, and we want to from unit to prefix unit. Here we add prefix, then we multiply it by 10 raised to the power 3 and divide by 10 raised to the power 3. Why we divide and multiply by 10 raised to the power 3? The prefix here is K, kilo, that is 10 raised to the power 3. Further we solve it. 3000. Dear students, that become kilometer. Here we write kilometer instead of this, and 10 raised to the power 3. We solve it, the answer will become 3 kilometer. So here will become 3 kilometer. That is the first conversion. Dear students, we solve it by method number 2, that is move decimal. Here we write 3000 meter. Here we follow these rule. Dear students, we move decimal from here to here. Three point 00 meter. We move decimal 3 digit, then we multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3, positive 3, because we move from left to right. .000. Dear students, that is a prefix 10 raised to the power 3, that is kilo. We write here K instead of 10 raised to the power 3, and M, that is, we write it 3 kilometer. Dear students, that is conversion number 1. We go from unit to prefix unit. That is, M is a unit. That M is a unit, and that Km is a prefix unit. Let us take another example. We raise it. Second example is, how many centimeter are in 2.3 meter? Dear students, we solve it by method number 1. 2.3 meter, that is a unit, and we want to go centimeter, that is a prefix unit. C is a prefix centi and M is a unit. Here we add prefix. In this conversion we are adding, in this example we are adding prefix before the unit M. Let's solve it. 2.3 meter is equal to 2.3 meter. We divide and multiply by 10 raised to the power minus 2. Why we divide and multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 2? Because we add prefix centi, and the value of centi is 10 raised to the power minus 2. That becomes 2.3. Dear students, that become centimeter over 10 raised to the power minus 2. If we solve it, answer will become 2.3. It become positive if we put here 10 raised to the power 2 centimeter, and that become 230 centimeter. We solve it by method number 2. We write here 2.3 meter here. We move decimal. We remove decimal and multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. It become 230 that is the value of prefix centi. We write here centi, c meter. It answer will become 230 centimeter. Dear student, third example is your assignment. You solve it. Here we want to go from second to nanosecond. Second is a unit and nano is a prefix and s is a unit. Its answer will be 10 raised की power 9. That is your assignment. Dear students, let us see another conversion. Conversion number 2. Here we want to go from prefix unit to unit. Examples are here. First example is convert 30 millimeter into meter. We solve it. 30 millimeter to meter. Dear students, here that m is a unit and that m is a prefix and that m is a unit. Here we remove the prefix. We write here 30 millimeter. We remove that prefix and put its value 30 into 10 raised की power -3. 10 raised की power -3 is the value of milli. That is meter. Further we solve it. It become 0.03 meter. Let us take second example. $500 milligram and we convert it in gram. Here m is a prefix and that g is a unit and that g is also a unit. Here we remove prefix. $500 milligram is equal to 500 and put the value of milli because we want to remove the prefix. The value of milli is 10 raised की power 3 gram, and its answer will become 0.5 gram. Dear students, let us see the conversion number 3. Here we want to go from prefix unit to prefix unit. Here are 3 examples. First we solve first example, that is kilogram, meter, per second square, gram, centimeter per second square. Kilogram, meter per second square. Dear students, that K is a prefix and that G is a unit, and here is a unit. We want to remove this prefix. We put its value. The value of K, that mean kilo mean, the value of kilo is 10 raised की power 3 gram multiplied by, here is meter and here is a centimeter. That centi is a prefix. We add here prefix, then we multiply it and divide by the value of prefix centi, 10 raised की power -2. over per second square. We solve it further, that is ten raised की power 3. Dear students, that become centi here we write also meter. That G and that become centimeter. Here will be 10 raised की power -2 over per second square. It will become 10 raised की power 5 gram centimeter per second square. Dear students, we know F is equal to MA. The unit of F in MK system is kilogram meter per second square, and in CGS system its unit will be gram centimeter per second square. That is called Newton, and that is called dyne. Dear students, that is Newton and that is dyne. Then we can write 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to power 5 dyne. That is a relation between Newton and dyne. 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to power 5 dyne. Dear student, that was our first example. Now second example is like this. You can solve it easily. That is your assignment. And third example is also your assignment. You can solve it easily. Dear students, I hope that you will be learned about prefixes and conversions. Thanks for watching.